So here I am at a home site that I found on an old map from 1876, I believe it was, on the map. There was a home here. There was also a grist mill and a sawmill across the street. Last time I was here, I did find a small little button with a rose on it. Must have been a child's button, I would assume, maybe. Found a wheat penny. It was very toasted. And I also found a medallion or a pendant of some sort. Probably a pendant, more than a medallion. And so I'd come back here for a little quick hunt and see what else is out here. If we could find anything, I will let you know. So I already dug the hole. I was getting a solid 63 here, and found a key. All right. Pretty cool. I like keys. Oh, it's cool how they got here. Somebody dropped this along the way. Might not be that old, but see what else is out there. So I've been here about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so roughly. Just got a really good high tone here. Only junk. This was it. These will definitely give you a nice high tone. However, you should always check your holes right here. I have something else. I've already kind of peeked at it briefly, but it's a buckle, and I am particularly very satisfied with this, as this is the first buckle that I've ever dug. Try to get a little more in focus. That is pretty sweet. I'm very excited. I'll dig around a little bit more and see what else we can find. Cool. So, I've been here about 20 minutes now, and it's about time to end my short hunt here, but this is the prize of the day. This buckle. Wish I can get it to focus a little better. There we go. So, pretty cool. I'll definitely be coming back here and see what else that I could find here, and see what else we could save out of the ground. Till then, keep digging. Fill your holes. Thank you for watching.